my name is Rhonda. Welcome back. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And I really appreciate you watching and supporting my channel as I grow. I do have really big dreams for this channel, and I want to show you all kinds of things that I'm doing. Like I said, I do think that we're about more than just makeup. And I do consider you all my friends, so I really want to share with you all lots of things that I'm doing in my life. For the time being, it is mainly makeup, but I do have things that I'm working on my house. I would like to share with you all recipes if I have anything that I'm doing that's really special, and I have some other health things, some gadgets, different things that I have that I would like to share. But for right now, I have this look fantastic box. This shipped out on the 4th, and it finally made it to me. So I'm going to share it, even though the month is pretty much going to be over. You probably could get this, still get this. I'm not sure when their new month starts. This does come from the UK, but it still took a long time to come. Usually it takes about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, but this time it did. I just got it yesterday, and this is what they sent in it. Look how cute. And I can tell you, these brushes are amazing. If you have knots in your hair, if anything, this is the only kind of brush I will use after I wash my hair. These are just, I have a pink one that I ordered before, and these are just, they take out the knots. If you have little girls that you know, kids hate having their hair pulled, these are just amazing. I ordered my pink one from pretty sure it was Ulta years ago, and I still have it because, I mean, they're plastic. You just wash them and take the hair out. But I mean, these would be perfect for a little kid that, you know, kids, especially little girls with long hair that you don't want to pull their hair, you don't want to cut them. These are absolutely perfect for getting out knots. And they got this molten, I can't tell you prices on these. If you're curious, I will go look them up though. But these, like I said, this comes from the UK, and I don't know translation from UK prices, but I can find it out for you and leave it below if you would like to know. This is a bath and shower gel. Let's open it and tell you what it smells like. That smells really good. I don't know if I can show you without spelling it. It's basically a shower gel. Let's see if I can tell you. Cypress and sea fennel. Fennel? I don't know how you say that. It says made in England. And it's not a real strong smell. I don't like real strong smells, but I mean, that will last a good while. And then, and this box is right under $20. So, and the brush, I think the pink brush I bought was like $7 or $8 by itself. So, I mean, it may not be a great box, but it is, you always do get your value. Between that and that little bag, and this is, I'm trying to get it open to show you. This is looks like a SPF lip balm. Yeah, 30 SPF, UVB and UVA, lip protection and care. Okay, looks basically a lip balm. You know, these things are with a, or can be several dollars for the sunscreen in them. So it's by Ultra Sun. I think I'll look at the prices of this just because I'm curious too. And here is a prickly pear and green tea hydrogel mask. Y'all know I love sheet mask. I read an article the other day that was talking about using a sheet mask every day and how good it is for your skin. I've got the article saved because I haven't finished reading it, but I'm going to go finish reading it. This is Marine Gold Dust Sheet Mask, plumping, made with real gold dust, marine collagen. It's a plumping. And this is one mask. Oh, here's a different kind. So there's 3 different kinds of face mask. And then here is an everything mask, Josh Wood color, 30 milliliters. Okay, this is for hair. The color locking multitasking deep conditioning treatment for every hair color. Apply to damp, washed hair, leave on for 5 minutes and rinse. Okay, so it's not a leave-in conditioner. I do like leave-in conditioners. It does have a safety seal. And it is, I don't know if you can see that, but it is basically just like any other cream. It does have a slight smell, but it's not a terrible smell. And then, of course, this really cute little bag. It says, "Look Fantastic Beauty Box" on it right there. Let's see if it, okay, it's just got the one zipper. Let's see. And this would be a cute little bag if you want to give a little kid, or to put your things in when you're just going on an overnight trip or something. So again, we've got the bag. Got 2 different types of face mask. Got this really nice brush. Got the SPF lip care. The color Josh Wood color everything mask, hair mask. Then this Molten Brown London Coastal Cypress Bath and Shower Gel. And that, yep, that's it. So get all of that. Comes every month. You get something. I mean, they always send something nice. I do like that particular bag. It is right under $20, and I mean, you can see you do get $20 worth of products. But thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Please click the thumbs up button for me, and please come back. I thank you very much. Good night. Until next time. Bye-bye.